Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to grab the exposure tool and I'm going to use the gamma, just take it up. Now I'm going to remove it from the egg. Okay, so now let's open up the camera raw filter. I'm just going to grab this sampler tool and choose the white, the way it looks, but I'm going to just reduce it a little bit. 3 and 4, and also I'm going to mess around with the white to get rid of this, this bright part of our forehead, and I'm just going to do it just a little. Just going to leave it. Let's just leave that and brighten up the blacks a little and give it some texture. So we're going to come back to this place, but just hit OK, and there we go. Let's try and see if there are skin variations. So the next thing, I'm just going to grab this one and grab a place, increase. So let's see. I like taking it back, and it's going to focus more on the red part. So now we can balance this. Let's take it forward. So this should do. I'm just going to close it and grab the brush, and I'm going to paint over the mouth to bring back that color back. And now I'm going to just create a stem visible layer for that and start our frequency separation. Alright, so I'm done with the frequency separation, and you can take your time and do the frequency separation. So we have before and then we have after. Hold this and select that range. Okay, so it's selected, and now we can increase the saturation. Alright, we have before and then after. Then I'm going to create a stem visible layer, and this time around let's go to camera raw filter. Okay, so let's try and start with the texture first, and then increase to bring down the white. Let's bring down the highlight, and let's work with the white balance. So I'm going to take it up to have this yellow feel, and then I'm going to close it, go back. Let's zoom out and go back to the color mixer. I'm going to close it. Let's go to the calibration. I'm going to leave it like that, and it's okay. Okay, so now I'm going to grab the solid color. It's okay for any color. Turn it off, double click and open it up and select the eyes. It's okay. Turn it back on, in fact the mask, and grab your normal brush tool and let's paint over the eyes. Change the blend mode to divide. Now it's too bright. I'm just going to go ahead inside and take it up, and then grab the photo filter. Let's choose the 82. Yep, and you can drag it below if there be. Then take this back onto it, say yes, replace layer max. Okay, and there we go. Then visible layer, Ctrl Shift Alternate E, and then I'm going to take it. Let's start with Liquify. So go to Liquify. So under the Liquify, I'm just going to start with this lip. Let's make it bigger, and we're going to drag it down. And that's okay. So it's okay on the keyboard. Let's go to the brush tool, and then I'm going to add some eyelashes brush. Let's use this one, and let's make it smaller if we can. Dab twice, Ctrl Z, and I'm going to make it bigger, and we go. Let's create another layer, and make it smaller, click, make it bigger, and click. Okay, so now go to edit, transform, flip horizontal. It's gonna flip it. I'll leave it like that. So we have this. Grab some vibrance and increase the vibrance. Alright, so this we're gonna end it here, and you can do some dodging and burning, but I'm gonna stop the video right here. So thank you guys.